Hayi kodwa babhemu, hayi noma ngathiwani kuthiweni babhemu, hayi lena yona, hayi this is too much. Hayi this is too much. Yo. Hayi hayi. Hey. Angiyazi mina lento. Badlala ngamanzi. Ngathi ingane encane. Sime sibhekene naso bafethu la njengamanje eJewel City emaboningi kusejozila bafethu. Hayi kunuka ikhwapha phuhle. Yazi abantu bangaphandle bathathile izwe lethu bafethu. Only 5% abantu basemzansi la. 95% yonke yangaphandle. And mawuzothi uyabheka only maybe 5% yabantu abanama passport avalid la. The rest kuyabheda kodwa bona bangakanani. Bona ngeke bafethu. Kunuka ikhwapha phuhle eJewel City. Amashanga nazo umzila. Nikuphi engakade anihambeni nibuyele emakhaya manje. Nalizo lihamba. Imfizi zenzani manje seyithelele ekhaya. Nalizo lakaZulu lihamba. Hawu. Hayibo. Buyani emakhaya omasodo buyani emakhaya. Abaleki noma kunethi imvula. Andobana basale bagade umzila eGoli. Bayahamba umzila eGoli. Ngithi macala wonke kwelaseJewel City. Hayibona ayizohamba iJeep wengabade. Ayizohamba iGP. Akobuye njalo lapha emakhaya. Akobuye emakhaya madoda, akobuye emakhaya. Solala lapha masibuye emakhaya. Hey. Hayi man. Angithanda into enzekayo. Ha. Naku mpela sohambelwa yizo sibhekile. Akumaniki lebhubha. Yabhubha manika. Othi phaka bagcelela mina ngibazi. Hayibo, wengabade buyani emakhaya. Buyani madoda. Aphelile amaholiday. Aphelile ku late manje. It's too late. It's too late ngeke. Ngiyazi mangiphethe mangeke ngathi ndihlangana Zulu soyigugula yonke lento le. Hey, hayi man. Kufuneka isixaxa mbiji la. Ayikho lento le. Ngikutshela ukuthi ikhopha linuka imvula inetha kunje. Uhlangana uphambana nephunga endleleni ungahlanganile nomuntu. Ngikutshele, mawuqhamuka nje ngala kuya ngakhona direction yomoya. Hayi inkinga le mina ngiyazi into eshi. Abantu bana mongayazi iJewel City kushuthi ngempela igula wakalazi ngempela mawali. Lapha konke abangayikho nje. Hayi man zani ngamane ningithuke man. Hayi ngiyanazi niyathukana nina man zani ngamane ningithuke man. Hawu asikwenzi thina lokho kwamanye amazwe. Hayi asikwenzi ngempela. Ngeke ufica ngempela amazulu egcwele kanje kwamanye amazwe.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Bekugqweleni tolo mhla tingu-1 January 2026 laphana emaboningi ma foreigner, or they were so packed kuleya ndzawo unga-understand ukuthi kahle kahle kwendakalani laphana guys. So people are just saying ukuthi if singavuka emaqanzeni kungimanje guys i-South Africa iyahamba. I-South Africa iyo-owna nje nama-foreigners. This thing ama-foreigners is really like it's serious guys, because bantu baze bayogqwala endzaweni leyi-one babe baningi kangaka. Like it's so sad. It's even sad ukuthi ayikho i-country lama-foreigners angekho khona. Mpumalanga, Limpopo, Eastern Cape guys bagqwele everywhere labantu, and they are really taking over i-South Africa. Ucommentile yena uJustin Thangobe kule video lefake ngilobhodi washo ukuthi if South Africa don't hear me now, kuyoba sekuledi mase baqala baphaphama babona ukuthi live lethu liyahamba lithathwa amazayizayi. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.